Guys, welcome to 3D. So go ahead and we're going to open a new blank document and save it in your chapter 3 folder as your last name underscore your first name underscore 3D underscore tourism, and then click save. In cell A1, type Pacifica Bay, and in cell A2, type tourism spending 2010 to 2014. Then merge and center from A1 to F1 and from A2 to F2. Change the background colors to whatever you like and make A1 the title style and make A2 the heading 1 style. Widen column A to 150 pixels. There we go. And select columns B through F, and we're going to widen those to 90 pixels. Leave row 3 blank and in A4 type year, press tab, and in B4 type 2010. Enter on the formula bar up here and you should be able to drag this across. And mine made it 2010 each time. So go to this drop down menu here and you see where it says copy cells, click fill series, and then it will change it to count. Select A4 through F4 and we're going to apply the heading 3 style to them. In A5, type tourism spending. And in A6, type percent increase. Then from B5 through F5, go ahead and type in the information like it is here. You can pause it here if you need to. And in C6, what we're going to do is we're going to type in the percent increase. So obviously 2010 is our first year here, so we don't know what the increase was. So leave B6 blank. So C6, what we want to do is we want to calculate the increase from every year. So type equals, this is important though, parentheses to C5 minus B5, close the parenthesis, and divide it by B5. So this is going to tell us how much the spent money in 2011 rose since 2010. So go ahead and press enter. So it rose by 0.207. I don't know about you, but that doesn't really mean a whole lot to me. So let's go ahead and put the percent format on that. So it rose 21%. Then go ahead and fill this formula through. This formula is going to be correct every time because it's going to take the new information. So this is the increase percentage from 2011 to 2012, 22% increase from 2012 to 2013, and a 26% increase from 2013 to 2014. We also want to go from B5 through F5, apply the accounting style format, or now that you know better, you can just go to your styles and do that currency brackets 0 thing. Now I got errors in all of mine, so I'm going to select B through F and just widen those cells so that they all show. If you are confused by how I did any of this formatting or resizing, please come talk to me. By now you should really be comfortable doing that yourself. Also, with this calculation, hopefully you guys in the 9th grade are now familiar with PEMDAS, because P stands for parentheses, meaning that whatever's in parentheses is calculated first. So make sure the parentheses are correct. Excel obeys the rules of PEMDAS. Leave row 7 blank and in A8 type projected tourism spending. And then press enter. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys something really cool that you probably could have used already, but that's all right. So I want you to come up to A2, don't click in there, but right click on it. And you see on this mini toolbar, there's this little paintbrush that says Format Painter. Go ahead and click on the Format Painter and then click on A8. So basically what Format Painter does is it copies the format and pastes it wherever you click. There's also, if you look on your home ribbon, there's Format Painter right here next to your bold icon. Leave row 9 blank and in A10 type estimated growth rate, press tab, in B10 type 25% and then press enter. Then I want you to select A10 to B10, right click, and make it bold and italic. And I'm also going to resize my column A so that that fits in there. All right, in A12, we're going to leave row 11 blank, and in A12 type year. Press tab, and in B12 type 2014. On the formula bar, hit the enter button. Then use the fill handle to go all the way through F. It's going to say 2014 each time. So hit that drop down menu again and do fill series. So it should go through 2018. Okay, click in cell A4, hit Format Painter, and then select A12 through F12 to bring that format down. We also already have the information for 2014 right here. So what I want you to do is right click on it and just say copy. And then for 2014 down here in B13, right click and just do that first paste option. It says it's not wide enough, so double click between B and C. Go ahead and hit save and you're ready to move ahead to video 2.